In this video, I am going to show you how to create a user-defined method and use in a Java program. So, to write a Java program, we use BlueJ software. Now look, this is the BlueJ already opened in my laptop. Now this is the new class where I am going to create a class. Click on the new class. You have to give the class name. Remember, the class name should be always, the first letter of the class name should always be in the capital. So I am going to write sum. The name of the class name is sum. There are lots of options, but I will select only the class. Go. Look, the class sum is created. Now if I open this class, there are lots of inbuilt code already written in this class. So I have to remove or select all, just remove it. Remember, every program needs the user-defined values to make it a better one. So in this program also, we are going to take a user-defined value. So this is how I am going to take a user-defined values. So to take user-defined values, I have to import a package that is called util package. Why I am going to take this util package? Because there is a class in the util package which helps you to take the input values. The name of the class is scanner. Okay, now as the program goes on, I will show you how to use the scanner class. So what is the name of the class? The name of the class is sum. Now I am taking two variables, a and b. These are called the class variables. What is class variables? Class variables are the variables which can be used throughout the class in anywhere, or we can say that better, you can say that in any part of the methods or any part of the class you can use these variables. Now I am taking a method input. So this method will help you to take the user-defined values in the class variables. What are the class variables? A and B. But before that, we have to create the object of the class, the scanner class. That scanner class will help you to take the user-defined values. So how to take the scanner class? This is the scanner class. Sc equals to new scanner system.in. Okay. Now this line a equals to sc dot next in means, since the class variable a and b are of integer type, so we are also going to take the integer values. So how to take integer values through scanner class? This is the way, this is the method which helps you to take integer values in the storage in the class variable. Now a equals to sc dot next in, the same line I will just copy it and write over here. So the next value is b, and b equals to sc dot this one. Okay, now the first method ends over here. The first method is input, which helps us to take the input values. Now the second method is to calculate. Now I am going to calculate these values. How to calculate? Int c, and calculate as well as to print int a plus b. So system dot out dot println sum plus c. Okay. Now this method will help you to calculate as well as to print the sum. Now these are the two methods I have already created in the class. Now we are going to write the main method. For how to write the main method in Java? Public static void main string args. If you do not write this syntax, then the compiler of Java will not able to understand the main method and it will give you a continuous error of main. So you remember that if you do not write this line public static void main, then it will be an error for the Java program or the Java compiler. So in this main method, I am going to create the object of the sum class. How to create the object of the sum class? Sum is equals to new sum. Okay, new is the operator used for creating object. Any objects, you have to use new. Without new, you cannot create objects. So this is the object. Now I am going to use these methods. So how to use these methods? The object of the class uses the dot operator. So this is the dot operator. Look, I have given the dot. This is the dot operator. Object dot class name. What is the method name? Input and is dot calculate. Okay, these are the two methods I have taken and I am using this through the object of the class. Now I am going to compile. If there is any error, it will show here, it will show, otherwise it will not show. Look, the class is compiled with no syntax error. Now I am going to run. Minimize this window. You will get to the main window again. Now right click on the sum class. There is void main. Click on this. Again click on this, you will get the output screen. If you get 89 and the second value is 11, the value is 100. So this is how a user-defined methods can be created in a Java program and used from the objects. Look at once more. Look at this. This is the output, and look at this program. If you click on this is the program, there are two methods, and this is how we can create a user-defined methods. Thank you.